Welcome back to another Sebastian story. We're back at it again, telling our sweet boy story, and of course this week, it's a puppy snow day! And of course Sebastian has already seen the snow a few times, but this is Luna's first ever snow.
What do you think, Pappy? What is that, Luna? What's going on?
And, granted, this is a southeast snow, so for everybody else out there, it's probably more of a dusting than anything else. But nevertheless, there's white powdery stuff falling from the sky, and it is the coolest thing ever for a little puppy.
It's a flapper, look at him. Is that your frisbee? What do you think, Luna? Like the ball?
Once it's time to go back in and get warm, it's also time to get the cooking going. This week we're going to be doing a pork loin roast with carrots. In cooking a pork loin roast, you see this big layer of fat on top. You actually want to have that facing upwards, so then as it cooks, that fat melts down and marinades the meat. And it's actually kind of nice. You don't have to baste like you do with a chicken. There's no skin here that you're trying to make sure cooks correctly. We're going to start it at 425 degrees to get a nice little sear on the outside of it to try and keep some of those juices in. And so after those 20 minutes, and of course pull it out, put the carrots in, and let those start roasting as well, and they'll cook in the juices and add their own moisture as well as they cook. While that cooks, we'll go and check on our sweet little Vera. Hi, honey. Little muffin cup. She's up here resting. A snow day for a cat is a good day to just lay out and lounge and rest, and Vera's quite good at that. Soon enough, it is time to pull out the roast, and oh, look at that. That browning on top, we got everything cooked. It is going to be absolutely wonderful, and I think the dogs will devour it quickly. Get the meat cut up and mixed into the kibble, add their carrots in, add some of the juices, and bon appetit, puppies.
You ready for puppy dinner? All right, come here, buddy. Chew it up. Now is it, Pappy? Good boy. You ready for yours? Good girl. Chew it up.
As always, thank you so very much for watching. We're having a great time telling these stories, and we'll be back again soon with more. Thanks again.